So you've said publicly that you've been talking to 3 managing partners at 3 major law firms in the United States, and they are all considering partner layoffs in the first half of 2013. That's really a striking statistic. What's driving their decisions, and do you expect more firms to follow suit at the end of the day?
Absolutely is the answer to the second question. More firms will and are laying off partners. The reason?
What do you mean are? It's already started?
Absolutely. Over the past 12 months, a number of firms have quietly laid off attorneys, including equity partners. Some of that doesn't get into the press, some does. What I would say the common thread is that runs through all these firms that are laying off attorneys, at the end of the day, there's more attorneys than there is work to go around to those attorneys. In other words, there's an imbalance of the supply of talent and the demand for work for them to do. That results in excess capacity. That's a drag on financial performance, and firms need to right size in order to balance their supply of lawyers with the demand they have for work for them to do. That's what's happening.
If LPOs are taking more work than they used to from law firms, wouldn't that at least indicate that we're facing the prospect of more associate layoffs as firms try to counteract against this trend?
You've got your finger on it, absolutely. Many firms see overcapacity in their associate ranks. They consider layoffs as a result. There is one firm that we know of that has a plan that calls for the firm over the next 3 years to lay off as much as 25% of their associate workforce system-wide across the firm's platform.
And is that an AmLaw 100 firm
it's an AmLaw 100 firm that operates internationally. It's a very large, prestigious firm, but they see their clients increasingly not wanting to pay for first, second, and sometimes even third-year associates. And at the same time, those clients want much of the work that those associates were doing sent to LPOs. As a result, the firm has a forward-thinking LPO strategy in which it partners with 1, likely 2 in the future LPOs, and that work that used to get done in the firm is now increasingly getting done by the LPOs at the client's request.